So let's get started now with the new topics. So yesterday we have already created one Salesforce developer free developer account. We can say that lifetime developer account. So how to create that, you know very well. These all small terms. Like if you want to create your full developer account, so just use this developer.salesforce.com website. So it's creating me one full developer account. Just click on the sign up and you can fill your form and you can get your full developer account, right? So I already created in yesterday's session, so don't worry about that. So you can just get your username and password and just you can log in. So how to log in that? So this is the another URL like login.salesforce.com, because it's a production environment. I don't have any sandbox, because sandbox is very costly. Okay, that's why I'm not using any sandboxes here. You can work accordingly and you can work in lifetime free developer account because of it's a fully functionality and fully featured in Lightning. Okay, so don't worry about that. You can work here as well. Okay, so how to log in into the Salesforce org? So first of all, you have to enter your URL like login.salesforce.com, and then you have to provide your username and password. It is coming from your email. Okay, once you are already created, once you created any Salesforce lifetime developer account, so you will be get this username and password you have to enter manually in first time, but the second time you don't worry about all the things. Okay, and username is a automatic comes once you are you already created some account in Salesforce, right? So here you can see in my notes, yesterday I created this one username. So this is the username in my previous session, right? And also I have created this username and one developer account with this username. So how to log in that? So just copy this username, just copy and paste in under the username section here, this field, and you have to enter your password as well. Okay, let me add the password and just yeah. So after that you can see I will successfully logged in here. You can, it's asking me register your mobile number. It's up to you and it's your choice. If you want to add your mobile, so you can add, otherwise leave it as it is. So I want to take like I don't want to register my mobile number here. Okay, so I just click on that link and you can see my org successfully logged in Lightning environment, Lightning UI. So this is Lightning UI, right? So now come to the another point. Here you can see like login into Salesforce account. So you have to launch this URL. First step, like launch the URL https://login.salesforce.com. Then you have to enter your username and password. Then after that you have to click on login button. So this is all step to login Salesforce account. And finally, for let's say example, Play Store. Under the Play Store we have App Store in Apple, and cloud space we have lots of cloud space. So this is a free and some of the application is paid, right? So set of mobile application like banking, finance, entertainment, games, or some music or video application or some video editing software, so you can download from Play Store, App Store, same like this environment. Okay, so you can apply these things under the Salesforce as well, because login.salesforce, or we can say that developer.salesforce.com is an environment where you can create your full developer lifetime account, and this is a kind of Play Store in Salesforce. Okay, for a, let's say example like Apex Exchange, I will show you in upcoming session what is Apex Exchange, so don't worry about that. Okay, and here you can see like banking, finance, entertainments, games, etc, and some organization for developers. Okay, so this is the another way to work on the here. So here you can see like uh, let me show you another things. Let me open any application like sales application or any service and any marketing application in Salesforce. So here you can see these all tabs. What is this? These all tabs bar, menu bar, we can say that. This is menu bar, and here you can see like small these things like small item that is called tabs. And always keep in your mind, tabs always plural. Here you can see all the plural number like opportunities, leads, task, files, accounts. You can see all the plurals, and this is very most important you to recognize your tabs, right? So this is plurals. Here you can see everything is plurals here because it's a tabs. Okay, to access the object, basically use the tabs use is to access the object. Okay, like chatter and much more you can see here, like campaigns, right? So these all tabs. So how to change, how to reorder these all things, like I want to change this opportunity after task, or I want to take this task before leads, how to manage these tabs. Okay, this is my question. And if you want to rearrange these tabs in your project or in your particular developer edition, so you can change with the help of some steps. Okay, so how to do that? So here you can see, let me show you first classic, then we will move lightning. So this is for classic. Like go to the tab bar and click this plus symbols, that is called all tabs. Plus is nothing but all tabs. Then click the customize my tabs button. Select the required tabs visible on the tab bar by using add and remove button. There is a one button I will show you after few moments. And arrange the tabs in the requirement order, like up and down navigation button. Then after that you can select default landing page tab from the pick list and click this save. So how to do that? So first of all, let me switch this lightning to classic. Here you can select switch to Salesforce lightning to classic. So here you can see this is the classic view, and it's a like winter 22 for developer. So here you can see this is the winter 22 release. Okay, so how to check, first of all, before starting these all things, first of all let me show you how to check our edition, which edition we are using right now. So how to check that? This is my question here. So you can check with the help of two ways. First of all we have to go under the setup. Okay, setup, and you have to search under the quick find like company information. Okay, once you search this one, you can select company profile. Under the company profile you can see company information. Just you have to click this link like company information, and under the company information it's a your company name, right? And after that you can see like primary contact, address, fiscal year. I will show you fiscal years in upcoming session, don't worry about that. Phone numbers, fax, local. And here you can see one of the most important things like organization edition. You can see this one. So which edition we are using right now? Developer edition. You can see here, right? This is the one way to find your edition. But another way you can find out your developer edition, just mouse over. You can see my cursor here, right? Mouse over in this tab, just tab here, and after that you can see here. Can you see like developer edition here? Anyone? Can you see? Please
Yes,
confirm.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So this is the another way to find out your edition, which edition you are working right now. So you can check with the help of some navigation or with the help of some tricks. So this is mouse over tricks. So you can just mouse over in particular tab and you can see like company information, your company name like Infosys, then Salesforce hyphen developer edition, right? So it's showing me like developer edition here, right? So this is the another way to find out your developer edition. So we can move this part like tabs management. So how to do that? So let me go first here. This is the one button here, like this plus symbol, that is called all tabs. Don't forget it. Okay, this is all tabs, this plus button. So you have to click this plus button, and I want to change. Let me show you before that. Let me select the sales application here. This is the app menu. Under this sales application we have lots of tabs like chatter, campaigns, lead, account, contact, opportunity, like that. I want to change this location like opportunity I want to take before accounts. So how to do that? Okay, if anyone asking or if you need in your project arrange the tabs in particular order, so how to do that? So you can change with the help of this plus icon. This is all tabs, just click this one, and here you can see one button like customize my tabs, right? Just you have to click this one first, and here you can see my all the tabs like home is a default, so you cannot change this location because it's a default, right, provided by the Salesforce. And chatter, campaign, leads, accounts, contact, and opportunity. So I want to take this opportunity before accounts. So how to change this? Just you have to select this one, and here you can see like two buttons, up and down. So if you want to take as a top of account, so you can just click this one, two. Here you can see like after two click, you can see my opportunities coming up uh, before accounts. If you want to go down this opportunity after contact, so you can place like down button here like that, and you can put in like top and just save it. And before that you can see like here, and you can see my opportunities coming from coming before accounts and contacts. Before that you can see only leads, account, contact, and after contacts you can see my opportunity, right? But here you can see my opportunity. Is it clear for you? You can arrange your tab based on your requirement, or you can remove the tab based on your requirement. Add, remove, arrange the tab like that. But my question is, this is the classic, but in Lightning how to do that? Okay, so just you have to switch first of all Lightning here. Okay, okay, so this is the Lightning, and I want to change this campaign before this account. So how to do that? So this is a simple way in Lightning. So one of the things you can do with the help of application, or another thing is short tricks. So short tricks I will show you later. First of all, let me show you uh, application with the help of application. So just you have to click this setup. Okay, and you have to search like app manager under this Lightning, and just click this app manager. Once you click this app manager, so you have to arrange your application. Okay, so how to do that? I have one application like sales, you know very well this sales application in Lightning. So just you have to click this arrow button, and here you can see like edit. Just click this edit. Okay, and once you click this edit, just go down, and here you can select navigation item, and here you can see my all the tabs like home, opportunity, leads, and can I, just here you can see like task, files, accounts, right? But here you can see like opportunity, leads, task, same thing you can see here, like opportunity, leads, task, same order. But I want to change this like campaign before accounts or after files. How to do that? Same thing you can apply. Just click this campaign, and this button here you can see in Lightning. In classic you can see like up and down written. Okay, but here you cannot see any up and down written here like any level, but you can see one symbols like up and down. Just select this tab and click this button like here to here. Okay, just let me show you. Just again you have to click this one, and here you can see my campaign before account or before files. You can put anywhere as you want, like before file, and you have to save it. Once you save it, before that you can see here my campaign here in after the contact. But let me refresh this one, and you can see the output as we expect. Like campaign is coming before files. You can see campaign tab. Okay, so you can arrange your tab based on your requirement and based on your need. Okay, so this is the another things. So let me do that another way, like sort tricks. So it's time to add some sort tricks under this Lightning experience, okay, or Lightning UI. So how to do that? So this is the sort trick. If you want to arrange like without any click or without go any app manager or any app builder, so just you have to just drag and drop. This is a new functionality under the Lightning. It is not available right now in Classic, but you can uh, take this benefit in Lightning. Just like I want to take this dashboard before my files, just drag and drop just here like that. You can arrange anywhere like that, right? Here to here. Like I want to take like reports after the dashboard, so you can manage this one like here like that. Once you refresh this one, so it's a automatic rearrange as we expect. Here you can see, right? So this is the another way. So there are so many things and there are so many logic, or we can say so many sort and tricks under the Salesforce. I will show you in upcoming session one by one. So don't worry about that. I have lots of knowledge in Salesforce in different types of modules like administrator, development, lightning, Aura, LWC, integration, digital experience, that is called Salesforce communities, and different types of clouds, sales cloud, marketing cloud, service cloud, and then digital experience, that is called commerce community cloud. Okay. And right now I'm working on the LWC as well, because LWC is nowadays is very famous, and also I have planning to learn velocity in future, so don't worry about that. It's a very biggest, or we can say very large scales technology, because it's a very upgradation things is available in upcoming years, and maybe some few months before and after, because every 4 months it's a new release is now you will get these things, right? So I love Salesforce because of its new upgradation things, right? So let me move, and here you can see like how to customize sidebar. How to customize sidebar. So this features is available right now in Classic, but in Lightning you cannot use this feature till now. Okay, so how to customize your sidebar? So let me show you what is sidebar. So first of all, we have to move like switch to Classic. Just click this switch to Classic, Salesforce Classic. So just click this one, and here you can see this is the sidebar. This is called sidebar, here to here. This all. This is the sidebar. This is highlighted area. Okay. So how to collapse and expand based on your required, or based on your future planning, or we consider any project. If you want to see these features, so you can apply in your project or any org these features, because it's a very most important, because it's having some space between here to here. You can see here to here. Okay, I want to remove this space, and I want to collapse this space here, so my content should be big here. So how to make that? So just you have to go first and check these steps. Like you have to go first setup. So let me click this setup. Okay, just follow these steps and you will be get all the solution in a same place. Okay, so then go to the build menu, and build menu you can the left panel, and under the build menu, what is build menu here? You can segment, right? This build menu, this is a segment like build. We already discussed in demo session this one, like what is build and all the things, right? So under the build section, you have to click this customize, and under the customize, just go down, and here you can see like user interface, right? So here you can see like customize and expand it. Click on the user interface link. So just click this user interface link, right? And here you can see like user interface. There are so many settings there, but how to collapse and in collapse like in Salesforce in Classic. So let me introduce that one. Under the sidebar setting, select the checkbox like enable collapsible sidebar. So just copy this one and search under this setting, and here you can see my sidebar. Under this sidebar section you can see one checkbox, so you have to check this one, right? Once you check this, so you have to save this one, because Salesforce always work like if you want to change something, so you have to save this one, because without saving you cannot impact your result or your output. Okay, so here you can see I just saved it, and just let me go in like setup. Just click on the setup, and here you can see this is the setup, and let me go first like home. Just click this home, And now you can see here this button. Like before that you cannot see this one. But right now you can see like this one. You can collapse, you can expand, right? This one, like that. Okay, if you have some more content and if you want to show in a home page, any record page or any object page, so just you can collapse this one, and if you want to show another things, so you can expand this one. It's a very most important features, right? This one. Okay, I hope you get this answer and all things, right? So here you can see like record management. So this is the another part, like record management. So under the record, you know very well, like objects is nothing but database table in Salesforce, right? So under the objects, like there are so many objects like standard object, custom object, or S object. So S object is nothing but Salesforce object. So under the S object, we can provide our standard object as well, custom object. Okay. So under the object section, you can see like accounts, contact, opportunity. These all standard object here to here, etc. Right? So here you can see like tabs. What is tabs? We already aware these things, like what is tabs. So it's a to access the object value. So here you can see like provide the collection of graphical user interface to use and manage the record inside the associate object, right? So you can manage and you can associate your object in particular tab. That is the meaning of tabs, right? By using tabs, we can perform the below operations like insert, update, delete, undelete, view, merge, etc. Let's say, let me show you one thing, like let me click this account because it's a tab, right? So we can do everything, like we can create new record. So let me do first in classic because my intention is to know everyone and know everything under the lightning. So here you can see one button is new. So I just click this account tab and I'm just here in account, and here you can see like new button. Just click this new and you can see like new pop-up, like new account. So you have to put your account like demo, account name, required field like hot, any number as you want. Okay, and save it. So here you can see like save it. So my record is successfully saved, right? So we can perform all the operation like insert, update, delete, merge, and delete on all the things in my notes mentioned here, like view and delete and all the things, right? So this is the first operation, like insert. So you can insert the record. So I just insert this record. So how to see this record here? So you can see under the recently viewed, this is the list view. I will come to that part, like this recently viewed and all the list view. So here you can see like list view. So we can create our list view as well, so don't worry about that. Okay, so this is the recently view. So this is recently created account record, right? So we can view the record, we can edit the record, that is called update. So let me update this one. So here you can see small icon, this drop down, just click this edit button here, or you can change like demo one, something like that, and save it. So you can see my account like demo one, now it's updated. It's time to delete this account, so you can delete one. Here you can see like this drop down small icon, and here you can see like delete. So let me delete one, and you can confirm, and here you can see you cannot see any account like demo one here, so it's a deleted now, right? So we can perform everything with the help of tabs like insert, update, delete, edit, and anything as you want, right? So let's say another things, like each object contain the associate tab. Please keep in your mind this point, right? Like each object contain the associate tab as below, like object name, tab name, right? And then this is the object name like champion, lead. This is the singular word. You can see like campaign, lead, account, contact, opportunity, all the things. But here you can see like plural. You can see like campaigns, leads, because it's a tab name. It's a tab name, you can see, right? So you can work accordingly. Like this is the product object and this is the tab name like products. This is the account object and the tab name is accounts, like that. So every object contain associate the tab. Here you can see like order, orders, solution, solutions, case, cases, something like that. Okay, so this is a very important know about all the things here to here, right? Like this is object name, this is the tab name, and based on the object name you can provide your plural name, like that. These all things here to here, right? Then here you can see inline editing features. So how to do that? This inline editing features we have, like if you want to create any record and if you want to change something in same line, so how to do that? Just let me add one thing, like this time is test and phone number, something like that, manually, then rating, hot, and save it. Okay, and once you save it, just click this account tab and you can see my uh, the account owner alias, phone, account side, account name, right? So if you want to change this one in same line, so inline editing is there, like this pencil icon you can see. This is the inline. Once you click this, so you can change like test one, something like that, and just here you can select save, and if you want to save, so you can see it's immediately affect your record as well. I want to change my mobile number, so you can change like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, or just let me change this one, this pencil icon, and here like 1 2, or just say second, yeah, just a second here, and remove this one and enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, right? So you can change the phone number as well, and you can save this one. And if you don't have any belief on this record successfully saved or not, just you have to refresh this page and you can see the exactly updated record like test one and phone number. Here you can see, right? So this is the inline editing in your record. You can inline editing. And recycle bin, this is the very most important thing, and this is the interview question, or we can say the certification question, like recycle bin. So this is the lifetime of the recycle bin, or if you delete anything in Salesforce, so it's have only 15 days number. So within 15 days it's a automatic, you can restore or you can anything as you want within 15 days. After 15 days you cannot recover any record or anything as you deleted in Salesforce. Okay, so if you want to take after 15 days, okay, your record come back like that. So how to do that? So first of all you have to raise one ticket with the Salesforce team, and you can revert your records or anything as you want. But the lifetime, or we can say that any recycle bin lifetime is 15 days. So how to move recycle bin? Let's say, let me go first in classic. So how to do that? This view profile, just click this switch to Salesforce classic. Okay, once you go this Salesforce classic, here you can see like recycle bin. Okay, so let me create one account here, like new account, or just let's say delete this test one, like this test one. Okay, so let me delete first this. Here you can see there are so many options like edit, delete, sharing, include, offline. So let me click this delete, and are you sure? Just click this OK, and here you can see my item is deleted now. So once you delete any item, for let's say in Windows operating system, for example, I want to delete something like one folder, one file, so it's a automatic goes into the recycle bin. Same thing you can apply in Salesforce. So I just deleted one test record, so you can see under the recycle bin my test one record. Here you can see test one, and all previously you can select demo one, right? If you want to restore this record, so you can store. Same thing you can apply your Windows machine, something like that, right? And same thing you can use under the Salesforce recycle bin. Okay, so I want to restore this test one, just click this icon, or you want to store all the items, so you can see. So based on your requirement you can choose. And here you can see like if you want to permanently delete, like control shift delete or shift delete, something like that in Windows, so it's a automatic remove your item permanently, so you cannot recover that item, so you can delete with the help of undelete. This is the permanently item here, right? So just a second. So you can delete with the help of this undelete button. And also you can like undelete means you can restore your account, you can restore your record with the help of undelete. But empty your recycle bin means you can delete everything from your recycle bin permanently. And here you can select empty your recycle organization recycle bin, so it's remove everything from your organization in recycle bin. This is the meaning of the three buttons. So let me undelete this button like test one and click this undelete, and you can see my test one under the account record like test one. Here you can see this is the test one, right? So you can recover your account as well, right? So this is the another way, right? So let me move next thing like recent record section. So here you can see like this section will represent the recently created editing view inside the object with default fields in the tabular format, right? This tabular format. So how to do that? You can see these things here, like in my classic, just switch lightning experience here and go back in particular account tab. This is account, and just click this account here like this one. And here you can see recently item. This is recently view item. So how to customize the column visible inside the table as below. Okay, let's say click on the required object like tabs is accounts. So I already clicked on the accounts here, right? And expand the force.com quick menu axis. Okay, that is called axis menu. So how to do that? First of all, let me go first here in classic. Okay, so just click this classic and click the particular accounts here, and here you can see my records or recently view or something like that. Okay, here you can see like view, and here you can see recently and all the things. Okay, recently view accounts, just click this one, recently view account. Here you can see this is the one account, right? And here you can see this is the force.com quick action bar, right? If you want to access everything in few of seconds or quick access, so you can use this one force.com platform, right? So how to do that? Just click the edit column. So here you can see like edit view object, view fields, view record type. We will come to that part here, this one in upcoming session. So you have to click this edit column first. So just click this edit column, and here you can see just a second, like recently view accounts, and this is the API name. Okay, and you can add this some criteria as you want, like some conditionally I want to show some record with conditionally. So how to do that? So you can do with the help of this area. Okay, and here you can see before that you can see all the columns. Let me show you like just a second, like action, account name, account side, billing state, phone type, and account owner alias, right? So these all columns. So how to manage this? So you can manage, just click this edit column, and you can see all the column like account name, side, billing, phone type, account owner alias, right? So you can see like select the required columns, behavior, add and remove buttons, arrange the field as you want, like up and down. Same thing you can apply, like I want to add some facts column, because earlier you cannot see the facts column under this list view. So you can use like just select this facts and drag and drop here to here and just save it. Okay, or just save as. So already exists, so let me do one thing for like already exists this one. So let me do one thing here like one, and let me select this here and save as this one. And now you can see recently view item and my one another column like facts, you can see. it's added. If you want to remove this column like facts here, so you can remove with the help of same process. So just click this edit column and just go down and just here, just select this one and remove like that. So and save it. And once you saved it, so you cannot see any facts column here. So you can arrange list view accordingly based on your need and based on your experience. Okay. So we can arrange and we can enhance our list view by using these features. Like by using this feature, we can represent all the records inside the object uh, form a tabular format. So how to do that? So you can see all the drop down under this list view. This is list view. And if you want to show all the accounts, so just you have to click this all accounts, and after that you can see all the accounts in my code, like 14 accounts records, right? You can see like recently viewed items. Okay, so just click this recently viewed. So this is the only one record I just created earlier, right? So you can enhance this one. We can add the required filters by using required user filter condition in the record. Okay, or filter out the record. So how to do that? So let me show you. In all accounts, I want to show something like billing, or we can say that customer direct, only customer direct here. So you can see like all the customer direct channel and all the things, but I want to show only customer direct. So how to make the filter in this list view? So you can make with the help of force.com platform. Just click this edit column, and under this section like filter criteria, and you have to search which column you want. Okay, like types, or we can say that, let me show you which one we have. Like yeah, types. This is the types column. So you have to edit that edit column. Just click and you have to search like types here, like type. Okay, once you type and equals, you can see this glass icon, magnifier. Just click this magnifier and you can see all the value. So which one you want, so you can take based on your requirement. So I want to take customer direct. Just select this one and insert and save it. Okay, so you can see only customer direct record in all accounts records. Just click this all account and you can see only customer direct, but it's still showing me all the here. So let me check again, so it's working or not. So just click this one, right, equals customer direct and all the things. Yeah, this is all things. And yeah, unique name, right, and save all the visa. Just save it and it will be effect after some time, so don't worry about that. So you can see like customer direct, I already created this list view like recently view, and here you can see my customer direct, only customer direct, not all, right? If you want to prove these things, so you can prove, just click this edit column and remove that filter here. So which filter you want to remove, so you can remove like this one. Okay, so like none, just click this none and none, and also remove this value. So you can see all the types of value under this list view. Just save it and you can see all types of value like customer direct channel, something like that, right? This one. So you can filter out your list view enhancement features. We can sort the record based on the required column, either ascending or descending. Order click by the click order on the header, right? So just here you can see this arrow button and this highlighted area. So you can ascending this order or you can descending or this column records. Just click this one. Click this one. You can see like ascending. Oh, sorry, descending. U T S S, something like that. Once you click this one, you can see ascending like B D E G P, something like that. So you can filter out, or we can set a ascending or descending sort order based on your requirement. Every column you can see. Salesforce automatic provide these features, so don't worry about that. Okay, and it's provide the pagination feature, which allow to decide the number of records to visible at a time inside the table. so that user or the user can view remaining records by using navigation button. So here you can see like pagination, like previous, next, selected, and one of fourth. So how to make in next? Here you can select page number 1 of 1. We have only one page, so you can see this page as well. So we can navigate like 10 page per record, and you can click the next and you can see all the record in next page, and previously you can see like previously. So this is the pagination under this list view, so you can work accordingly. Okay, so this is all about the Salesforce list view, tabs, and some login steps under the Salesforce. So do you have any query question till now? So you can ask me, otherwise we can wrap up.
Hi Rohan, this is Balaji. I didn't get a mail regarding the recorded versions so far.
Sorry?
I didn't get the mail of the recorded versions with attachment.
Yeah, you will be get the recording session after some time, or maybe this session. Okay. So don't worry about that. These all video you can see, last recorded video and this video
No,
as well.
yesterday's one.
Yeah, yesterday one you can get. You will be get after some time.
Okay.
I will confirm with Sital. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, any more question?
Okay, so so I saw the list view. Do you have form views also like that, same way?
No, we have only list view right now in this particular object. So if you want to create your own as well, so you can create and you can filter out there. We have only list view in here, not form view.
Oh, that's
okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any more question, anyone? So I will take as no. So guys, please do practice. Yeah, ask me.
Sorry, object and tabs are the same things, right?
No. Tabs and object both are different. Tabs always plural. Here we can see plural, and tabs always used to access the object, not same thing. Okay, object is different, tabs is different. Tabs only used for UI purpose, access the object. So which object you want to access with the help of tabs? So I want to access contact. So just click this contact tab and you can see like contact object details, right?
Okay.
Yeah.